Hello, friends. We're back checking on our worms. It's been a few weeks since they got a feeding, and well, that's okay. They're worms, they can handle it. And I figured last time and the time before, we've had quite a bit of bananas and stuff that was a little bit on the, let's just say, bulkier end for them. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can, you guys can't see. Let me show you. We just pulled up that tray or cover and look at all the worms right here. There must be a banana underneath here. Yeah, I think this is a banana here. Oh my goodness, we got some worm balls happening. Well, that's great. Okay, good. Because I can tell there's a banana here, but oh yeah. Yep. Oh, are there baby worms? Yeah, there are some worms in here. Okay. Not as many, but that's fine. Anyways, Fred Astaire is here in the middle, our little Wormington community leader here. But other than the bananas that we had added, there was some other stuff that kind of lingered, but there wasn't a ton of, I guess, big feedings like what we're used to having for them. And I wanted to try giving them a lot of something small. Mostly because we were at the grocery store the other day and I was like, oh, wow, they marked blueberries down a lot. So I bought a bunch and got them home and I was like, I see why they got marked down. They were going bad and they were just disgusting. Like by far some of the worst blueberries we've had in a long time. So I was like, well, we might not like them, but I know who will. So I froze them immediately. And then these eggshells, I probably could have crushed up more, but thankfully our neighbors up the road have chickens and they're starting to lay eggs again. And they shared some eggs with us so we could enjoy fresh homemade or home fresh eggs, I suppose. And so I figured, well, the shells probably haven't been processed like they have in the store. I'm also hoping that this will kind of double as like an extra little feeding layer, which isn't too much. You can see what Wally helped me rip up here. This is just some thin kind of cardboardy filler from a recent order that with cans. So yeah, just a light little simple feeding for them. Nothing too heavy. I'm hoping in the weeks to come, we can start doing some bigger, heavier feedings as it's warming up and getting more cozy out. But I think we still have a little ways to go. But I'm really optimistic. These worms have been doing really good. We haven't really been pushing their feeding, but I'm hoping we'll get them going with some sugar in the bananas, some sugar in the blueberries. They'll be excited, and hopefully, we can start doing some bigger feedings and see how that goes. All right, friends. Well, I'm Alessandra. Thanks for hanging out with me and the worms today. You can't tell, but Wally's over here. Curious who I'm talking to. And yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Your garden, your home, your worms are doing well. We'll talk soon.